Long before the high-tech supercomputers we use for weather modeling, the folks of Southern Appalachia looked to nature to help them know what exactly to expect during the winter season. There are many old wives' tales out there about the weather, and like lots of folk tales, they don't have much science behind them, but they're fun to talk about, so let's focus on just a few. Let's start with acorns. It's said that a large mass crop indicates a harsh winter is coming. This comes from the idea that Mother Nature will take care of the animals, making sure the bears are nice and fat for the cold season ahead. Next up, the persimmon. The seeds of these tiny tomato-like fruit are said to have some pretty awesome forecasting powers. It's the shape of the inner root of the seed that can tell us whether we're going to have a harsh or mild winter ahead. Carrie Moats with the Hawaii State Park in Tennessee is here to tell us more.
When you cut the seeds open, you look to see on the inner part of that seed if you can find a spoon, a knife, or a fork. The spoons are going to represent shoveling of snow, so they predict a heavy snowfall for the winter. The knives predict cutting cold or a fair amount of ice. The forks are what we hope to see, and that would be like a fluffy and easy kind of winter, where it's a little more on the milder side.
There's a saying that goes, for every fog in August, there will be snow in winter. Now, there's no actual direct meteorological connection, but every once in a while, the numbers are oddly similar. So why count the fogs if there's no correlation? Well, it does detract from the heat and humidity of late summer in the south and gives hope that there might be some snowflakes once the cooler air arrives. And finally, there is the mighty woolly worm. These fuzzy little critters have 13 segments to their bodies of either black or red color. For each segment, a week of winter is represented, with red being a mild week and black being a harsh, cold week. Each October since 1977, thousands of people flock to Banner Elk, North Carolina for the annual Woolly Worm Festival. After a weekend of races, the winning worm is used to make the official forecast for the coming winter season. For Weather Nation, I'm meteorologist Kit Thomas.